Peter from First Maths. Today we are looking at Year 4, Block 3 Assessment, Paper 2. Answers after each question. Are you ready? Let's go! Question 1. Using only the numbers and symbols below, how can you make the number 45? You may use the numbers and symbols as many times as you wish. The numbers are and symbols are 4, 9, equals, plus and times. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here are the answers. There are lots of different answers, so you will have to check your answer directly with your teacher or colleague. Let's look at the next question. Question 2. I have the numbers 9, 36 and 4. Write in 4 number sentences using these 3 numbers. So something times something equals something. And then using those numbers again, something times something equals something. And then 2 division questions. Something divided by something equals something, and something divided by something equals something. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. 9 times 4 equals 36. 4 times 9 equals 36. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. Let's look at the next question. Question 3. Put a ring around the amount which is nearest to £10. Pause the video until you are ready to answer the question. Here comes the answer. The answer was £9.91 was the closest to £10. Let's look at the next question. Question 4. What is 6/10 of £1? What fraction of £1 is 70 pence? Which 4 scores on the spinner add up to 1 whole 1? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here comes the answers. A. 6/10 equals 60 pence. 70 pence equals 7 tenths. C. 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 2 tenths plus 3 tenths equals a whole. There are various other answers it could be, so yours might still be correct if it's different to this one. You will need to check with your teacher. Let's look at the next question. Question 5. Complete the table. So, 32 plus 24 equals something. 47 take away 32 equals something. Complete each box. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here comes the answers. 15 plus 32 equals 47. 15 plus 47 equals 62. 15 plus 75 equals 90. 24 plus 32 equals 56. 24 plus 47 equals 71. 24 plus 75 equals 99. 50 plus 32 equals 82. 50 plus 47 equals 97. 50 plus 75 equals 125. Let's look at the next question. Question 6. A. 167 plus 258 plus 45 equals what? And B, 417 take away 78 equals what? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here comes the answers. Answers. 167 plus 258 plus 45 is 470. And B, 417 minus 78 equals 339. Let's look at the next question. Question 7. Can you complete these two grids? The first one is easy. 8 times 4 equals something. 8 times 2 equals something. 8 times 6 equals something. 8 times 3 equals something. And then the blue one is a little trickier because 4 times something equals 8. So you've got to work out what the missing number is here. 4 times something equals 16. So you need to work out what the answer is for the blue box and also the white squares. Pause the video until you think you know the answers. Here comes the answers. Here are the answers. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 3 is 15. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 3 is 27. And the grid 2, 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 6, 18. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 6, 24. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 6 is 30. Let's look at the next question. Question 8. There are 24 biscuits in a packet. How many biscuits are there in 6 packets? Show your working, you may get a mark. Pause the video until you think you know the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 144 biscuits. Let's look at the next question. Question 9. Put a ring around the numbers which have a remainder of 1 when divided by 4. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here comes the answers. 13 is one of the answers. Then 17, then 21, 25, 29, and 33. Because if you look, it's 12 is in the 4 times table plus 1. 16 is in the 4 times table plus 1. 20, 4 times table plus 1 is 21. 24 plus 1. 28 in the 4 times table plus 1 is 29. 32, 4 times table plus 1, 33. Question 10. A bottle can fill 4 glasses How many bottles are needed to fill 38 glasses? Show you're working. You may get a mark. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. 10 bottles is the answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 11. Complete the table. You need to complete the start time for Spider Story and the film length for The Three Wolves and Moon Wars. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here are the answers. Let's look at the Three Wolves, 1 hour 10 minutes long. Moon Wars was 1 hour 45 minutes long. Spider Story started at 12:20. Let's look at the next question. Question 12a. Look at this calendar for June 2001. Which day of the week is 16th of June? Pause the video until you want to see the answer. The answer is coming now. The answer is a Saturday. Let's look at the next question. What is the date of the second Monday in June? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer was 11th of June. Let's look at the next question. The Smith family are going on holiday for 2 weeks after the 14th of June. What date will that be? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. 28th of June. Let's look at the next question. 15 books were borrowed on Monday. Draw in the bar. Pause the video to do this and then check your answer when you press play. Here comes the answer. Let's look at, here is the answer up to 15. Let's look at the next question. On which day were the most books borrowed? Pause the video until you are ready to answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is Friday. Let's look at the next question. How many books were borrowed on Thursday? Pause the video until you are ready to answer. Let's check the answer. Here it comes. 25. Let's look at the next question. How many books were borrowed altogether during the week? Don't forget to include the number you have already worked out for Monday. Pause the video until you are ready to answer. Here comes the answer for all the books. The answer was 145. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource, such as a maths lesson, a maths game, a maths puzzle. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!